contains of many hardware components like ESP, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and many sensors and modules. So today we are doing Audio Kit ESP32. So what exactly is this? So this is ESP32 Audio Kit. As we know, it is a development board that is specially designed for audio applications like voice recording or music, or any playback or internet radio, or any voice assistant like Alexa and all. So let us start to understand the components on this module. So this black module, it looks simple, but it will work very advanced. So let us start with this chip here, which is written as ESP32 AIS. So this actually is ESP32 WROOM Module, and this is the main microcontroller of this chip. So it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which is connected toward from these antennas which we have on here. So as we can also see that. So this will run our Arduino or ESP IDF programs, and it controls the entire board. And after that, we have is here a micro SD card slot. So this here we will insert a micro SD card, and which will store that MP3 WAV file, or recordings, or any other data. So it is like playing music or saving voice recordings to the SD card. So here next we have some ports here. So these are used to power and program. So one port is when we zoom here, this one which is written as power is used to give the power for this module, and VART1 and BAT are used to upload the programs. So this is how these pins will be working. So another may provide USB functions depending on the versions of our ESP32 module. Sorry, ESP32 audio kit. And here we have some headphone jacks, like on top right here. These are the headphone jacks. We can connect the headphones or speakers to this audio kit. It is like listening to audio output, let it be music, playback, or anything. So after that, these below the headphone jack we have as connectors. It is like connecting to external audio source like a phone, laptop, or music players. We might have seen that we have connected wireless microphones, or wireless speakers. So these are those pins where we are connecting, like record. It is used to record or process the external audio. And the white connectors here are used to label our you know uh, get the audio output which we have learned. Now we have two connectors which is black in color. These are actually mic connectors. So what is mic means microphone. So it is external mic or microphone is connected here. So it uses voice recording and speech recognition and all to process. And also we have IC here, and which is used to convert digital audio to analog audio, which will improve our sound quality, which is used to recording and playbacks. And on here we have is GPIO header pins, which is used to like general purpose input and output. So GPIO means that. So some will be named as D1, D2, and some will be named as GPIO, that is general purpose input and output. So it is like normal ESP projects, like it is used to connect these pins to the actuators or sensors, something like that. And we have many buttons here, in which we have as boot and reset. Boot is used while uploading the code, as we have seen in the ESP32 projects, and reset is used to restart the ESP32. So programming and resetting are the uses of boot and um, reset buttons. So and other chips here like DIP switch and all. So these are the keys and all. So these are like changing hardware connections. So like select boot or mode, or boot mode or audio configuration. So it will configure the board. So it is just an expansion for GPIO pens. So now we have learned about this. So when we turn it back, it is just a simple PCB board in which all the components are internally connected. And now the question is, what are the applications of this? It can be used in MP3 music player, or voice recorder, or internet radio, or voice assistant like Alexa, Google style projects, or something like that. And we can use it in Wi-Fi intercom or Bluetooth speakers, etc. So this is like very much advanced to the other audio kits. So it might be uh, tough to understand. So in one word, how we can understand is, it can hear sounds, process them, and store them and play them back, making it perfect for the voice and music projects. So we can say that ESP32 chip here is a brain, and these antennas are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, that is internet, and microphone is to hear, and speakers are to talk, and SD card is our memory, and headphone jack and is used to listen privately, and USB is used to power and program. So that is the simple explanation of this audio kit of ESP32 module. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.